When the original DJI Mini series first took flight, it redefined what aerial creators could carry in a backpack. A sub-249-gram footprint meant no registration hassles for casual flyers, but early models required significant compromises in camera quality, wind resistance, and obstacle avoidance. Year after year, DJI pushed the boundaries of microengineering, condensing flagship features into a drone lightweight enough to bypass strict federal regulations. Now, rumors and industry leaks surrounding the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest a leap forward that could render previous ultralight models obsolete. We are talking about potential camera sensor overhauls, next-generation omnidirectional perception, variable aperture controls, and transmission systems engineered to penetrate heavy electromagnetic interference. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. If these internal leaks and regulatory filings prove accurate, the DJI Mini 6 Pro isn't just an iterative update. It is a declaration of dominance designed to blur the line between lightweight sub-249-gram consumer drones and heavy professional cinema platforms. To understand why the DJI Mini 6 Pro is generating such unprecedented hype across the aerial videography community, we have to analyze where consumer drone technology currently sits. For creators, traveling light has always meant sacrificing image fidelity, especially during low-light golden hour shoots or complex dynamic range scenarios. The Mini 4 Pro set a high bar with its 1/1.3-inch image sensor, dual native ISO, and vertical shooting mode, but demand for cinema-grade optics and a pocketable chassis has only grown. Early supply chain reports indicate that DJI engineers are focusing their hardware engineering on optics and sensor real estate for the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor or a stacked sensor architecture engineered to drastically boost nighttime clarity and highlight recovery. Managing a larger sensor within a strictly enforced 249-gram limit presents massive thermal and structural challenges. But leaked chassis designs indicate lightweight composite frame materials and advanced microfan cooling vents integrated directly into the gimbal housing. If a larger sensor materializes on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, the dynamic range improvement alone will change how creators color grade their footage. Leaked testing logs mention enhanced 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and full 10-bit HLG support, with expanded bitrate options exceeding 150 megabits per second. This higher data rate ensures that subtle gradients in complex sunset skies or heavily detailed forest foliage retain crisp detail without compression artifacts. Furthermore, rumors point toward an adjustable mechanical aperture, potentially ranging from f/1.7 to f/11. On previous sub-249-gram drones, a fixed aperture forced pilots to rely heavily on neutral density filters whenever lighting conditions shifted. Integrating an active aperture ring inside a miniaturized 3-axis mechanical gimbal would allow videographers to maintain the golden exposure rule on the fly, instantly matching shutter speeds to frame rates without bringing the drone down to swap lens filters. Camera optics are only half the battle. The imaging processing pipeline inside the DJI Mini 6 Pro is expected to receive a massive neural engine upgrade. Industry insiders hint at a dedicated artificial intelligence processing unit embedded directly alongside the main chip. This neural processor is rumored to handle real-time noise reduction, dynamic subject tracking, and automated exposure metering faster than any previous mini model. Imagine flying through low-light urban environments where neon lights clash with deep shadows. The AI processing pipeline inside the DJI Mini 6 Pro could separate optical noise from genuine structural texture in real time. This means night shots that used to require aggressive post-production cleanup will look remarkably sharp and clean straight out of the camera, empowering solo creators and commercial operators to produce high-value client work with minimal turnaround time. Another major rumor swirling around the DJI Mini 6 Pro focuses on optical flexibility and zoom performance. While previous mini drones relied on digital crop zoom that quickly degraded resolution, supply chain leaks suggest a dual-lens cam, air module, or an optical zoom setup. A dual-camera payload featuring a wide-angle primary lens paired with a 3x telephoto medium tele lens, similar to what made the Air series so popular, would revolutionize aerial storytelling in the sub-249-gram category. A 70mm equivalent telephoto lens allows pilots to capture intimate subject tracking, compression angles, and cinematic parallax effects without physically flying dangerously close to people or property. If DJI manages to fit two distinct sensors and lenses into the sub-249-gram gimbal array of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, it will eliminate the primary reason creators currently upgrade to larger, heavier drone platforms. Flight safety and autonomous navigation are slated for a massive generational upgrade on the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The current omnidirectional obstacle sensing system uses binocular vision sensors to map environments, but dense tree branches, power lines, and low visibility conditions can still pose significant hazards. Early patent filings hint at the inclusion of micro-LiDAR or miniaturized time-of-flight sensors alongside upgraded fisheye cameras on the DJI Mini 6 Pro. These sensor arrays would allow the drone to construct a precise three-dimensional point cloud map of its surroundings in pitch-black conditions. For night pilots or those executing complex tracking shots through dense canopy environments, this means unprecedented collision avoidance confidence, allowing the drone to navigate around obstacles with surgical precision without interrupting the video recording sequence. Autonomous tracking software, historically known as ActiveTrack, will allegedly debut version 6.0 on the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Leaked internal documentation suggests ActiveTrack 6.0 leverages predictive machine learning models to anticipate subject movement even when obstructed by buildings or terrain. If a cyclist rides behind a thick grove of trees, the DJI Mini 6 Pro won't lose track or hover in place. Instead, its AI engine projects the subject's speed and vector, smoothly maintaining camera framing until the subject reemerges on the other side. Additionally, pilots can expect expanded waypoint navigation features, enabling complex multi-point automated flight paths that can be saved, repeated, and executed at different times of day to capture flawless time lapses and transitioning seasonal shots. Battery technology and flight times represent one of the most vital aspects of drone performance, and the DJI Mini 6 Pro leaks indicate significant chemistry advancements. Standard intelligent flight batteries in compact drones often deliver real-world flight times well under advertised limits once wind resistance, payload, and cold weather are factored in. Rumors indicate DJI is adopting high-density silicon anode battery cells for the DJI Mini 6 Pro, yielding higher energy storage capacity without increasing physical mass. This could push theoretical flight times past 40 minutes on standard battery packs, while keeping the drone safely below the 249-gram threshold. For users who don't face strict weight regulations, an optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus could yield uninterrupted flight times pushing toward 50 minutes, dramatically reducing battery swap friction on long location shoots. To support longer flight durations and increased data transmission bandwidth, the transmission protocol on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is expected to upgrade to O4 Pro or a newly developed O5 digital transmission system. Video transmission reliability is crucial when operating in congested suburban areas saturated with Wi-Fi signals and structural interference. The rumored transmission setup utilizes multi-band frequency switching across 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and potentially new dedicated frequency bands where legally permissible. This system is designed to maintain a stable, uncompressed 1080p or 4K live feed at up to 60 frames per second over distances exceeding 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. More importantly for real-world pilots, it provides a rock-solid control link through concrete walls, industrial structures, and dense foliage, virtually eliminating signal dropouts and latency lag during critical maneuvers. Aerodynamic adjustments on the chassis of the DJI Mini 6 Pro are subtle at first glance, but engineered for efficiency. Leaked renders depict slightly elongated prop arms, redesigned low-noise propeller blades, and a more streamlined nose cone. These modifications are specifically tailored to improve wind resistance ratings, potentially upgrading the DJI Mini 6 Pro to handle level 6 wind conditions exceeding 12 meters per second. Microdrones have historically struggled in high-altitude environments or coastal sea breezes, where strong gusts force motors to run at maximum power and drain batteries rapidly. The re-engineered motor propulsion system, paired with field-oriented control electronic speed controllers, ensures that the DJI Mini 6 Pro maintains stable hover positioning and buttery smooth camera pans, even when fighting aggressive crosswinds. Internal storage is another area where DJI appears to be addressing long-standing creator feedback. Previous models featured minimal internal memory, forcing pilots to cancel shoots or scramble if they accidentally forgot their microSD card at home. Leaks suggest the DJI Mini 6 Pro will come equipped with at least 64 gigabytes or up to 128 gigabytes of high-speed onboard NVMe storage out of the box. This built-in memory will support high bit-rate video recording modes and offer lightning-fast offloading speeds via an upgraded USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, allowing creators to transfer massive 4K footage files directly to laptops or mobile devices in a fraction of the time required by standard card readers. Vertical content creation continues to dominate modern media consumption, and the DJI Mini 6 Pro looks set to optimize its physical structure for short-form platforms. While the mechanical physical gimbal rotation feature was introduced on earlier models, leaks hint at an improved true vertical shooting system capable of rotating 90 degrees with zero lens crop or resolution degradation across all frame rates, including 4K at 120 frames per second. Furthermore, the gimbal hardware on the DJI Mini 6 Pro is rumored to support an upward tilt angle of up to 80 degrees, enabling dramatic low-angle perspectives looking up at tall skyscrapers, mountain cliffs, and forest canopies that were previously impossible without catching the drone's own propellers in the frame. On the software and smart feature front, Master Shots and Quick Shots are receiving full AI overhauls inside the DJI Mini 6 Pro ecosystem. Creators who want fast, cinematic social media clips without complex manual piloting can leverage updated automated flight templates. These modes perform complex orbital paths, spiraling ascents, and dynamic dolly zoom effects with precision framing powered by the onboard vision sensors. Furthermore, the inclusion of Quick Transfer Wi-Fi 6E technology will allow the DJI Mini 6 Pro to push high-resolution video files directly to smartphones at speeds up to 80 megabytes per second without requiring the remote controller to be powered on, streamlined content delivery workflows for fast-paced digital creators. Remote controller compatibility is a significant consideration for pilots looking to upgrade, and leaks suggest DJI will release the drone alongside an updated DJI RC3 smart controller. Featuring a brighter display capable of reaching 1,500 nits of peak brightness, the new controller ensures direct sunlight visibility without requiring bulky hood shades. Internal hardware upgrades inside the remote control will support faster app loading times, lower input latency, and direct external monitor connectivity via HDMI or DisplayPort over USB-C. Importantly, backwards compatibility rumors indicate that existing owners of the DJI RC2 and RC-N2 may be able to pair their legacy controllers with the DJI Mini 6 Pro via firmware updates, offering budget-conscious flyers an affordable upgrade path by purchasing the drone as a standalone unit. The legal landscape surrounding drone operation in the United States and global territories makes the sub-249-gram classification of the DJI Mini 6 Pro its single most valuable asset. Regulatory bodies like the Federal Aviation Administration enforce strict remote ID and operational mandates on aircraft weighing 250 grams or more used for recreational flying. By carefully shaving milligrams off every internal component, From the magnesium alloy heat sinks to the micro-wiring harnesses, DJI ensures that the base model of the DJI Mini 6 Pro remains exempt from registration requirements in many jurisdictions while delivering performance metrics that rival heavy commercial drones. For real estate photographers, travel vloggers, and inspection professionals, this sub-249-gram threshold translates directly to lower regulatory overhead in FR. Action when planning outdoor shoots. Thermal management in compact electronics is notoriously difficult, especially when pairing a high-performance image processor with high-wattage transmission chips inside an airtight plastic housing. Leaks regarding the internal heat dispersion network of the DJI Mini 6 Pro show a complete re-engineering of the airflow pathway. Air intake vents positioned beneath the front propeller blades actively scoop fresh air through the fuselage during flight, channeling cooling breezes over micro-copper heat pipes before exhausting out the rear vents. This passive and active hybrid cooling design prevents thermal throttling during long, high-resolution 4K video recordings in hot summer climates, guaranteeing reliable performance during intensive commercial operations.